Sir John, may bibili pa ba ng ebook? Lahat nasa Google na. Lahat nasa YouTube University na. Right? And believe me, I've been doing this since 2006, 2007, and I start coaching in 2013. That is like the most common even up to this day. Ngayon, iba na. Sasabihin naman nila, uy, ngayon meron ng AI or ChatGPT. Meron pa bang bibili ng mga ebooks or digital products? Now, I understand. Pagka yung mga bagay na hindi natin alam, you're new into this one, naturally, you ask those questions. And there's nothing wrong with that, right? But if you search the internet, you search online, you will see that the ebook business or selling information is actually a billion-dollar industry that, again, most people are not aware of. So I always tell to people, you see, it's easy to assume na because yung information nasa internet na or nasa YouTube na, for example, it's easy to assume that people will find it easily. So ibig ko sabihin is this, when people would like to find information, ideally something that solves a problem, you can search online, fine. That will eat up a lot of their time. Ngayon, with AI or ChatGPT, they don't even know what kind of questions to ask this AI technology to get the results that they want. So again, the reason people buy ebook and digital products, it's not simply because of the information, but because it saves them a lot of time. So just imagine you want to learn something na step by step on a certain information or a certain industry. Okay? You can sure go to YouTube, but normally hindi kumpleto. Normally you have to watch different videos. Right? Google is the same thing. You search online, you go through different website. Si AI ni hindi mo nga alam kung ano exactly yung itatanong mo. Normally, it gives you not enough result or even yung iba inaccurate results because again, the technology is there. But if you don't know how to use the technology, then you will not still get the results that you want. That is why having a digital product, ebook, is like telling to people, hey, nandirito na lahat. You don't even have to waste your time. Here's everything.